In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HTML to design Figma plugin. By the end, you'll have a simple plugin with an HTML interface that drops a red rectangle onto your canvas, and you'll understand how the interface communicates with Figma behind the scenes. Start in Figma and open the menu, then go to Plugins, Development, and choose New Plugin. When prompted, make sure you pick the option labeled with UI. That choice is important because it sets up an interface file for you. Give your plugin a clear name you'll recognize later. Figma will generate a small starter project, so you don't have to wire everything from scratch. Take a moment to look at the files it creates. The manifest.json is the configuration file that tells Figma what to load. The code.js file is the main logic that runs in the Figma environment. And UI.html is your plugin's visible interface, which behaves like a tiny web page. Thinking of it this way helps. UI.html is what users see and click. Code.js is what actually edits the Figma document. Open UI.html and design a minimal interface. Add a heading so users know what they're using, and add a button with an ID like create. In a small script tag, attach a click handler that calls parent.postMessage with a plugin message whose type is createBox. That click will send a message from the HTML panel to your plugin's main code. Tips here. Keep your element IDs simple and double check the message type string because typos will silently break the connection. Now switch to code.js. First, call figma.showUI with the provided HTML so your panel appears. Then listen for messages with figma.ui on message. When a message arrives and its type is createBox, create a rectangle, resize it to 200 by 100, set its fills to a solid red color using R1G0 Bezo, and append it to the current page. Remember, Figma color values go from 0 to 1, not 0 to 255. To run the plugin, return to Figma, go to Plugins, Development, and select your plugin by name. Your HTML panel opens, click the Create button, and you should see the rectangle appear instantly. If nothing happens, save your files, close the panel, reopen the plugin, and confirm the message type matches in both files. You can style your interface just like any web page. Add a style tag in UI.html, set a readable font, add padding to the body, and style your button with a dark background, white text, and some spacing. Keep contrast high so the UI is accessible. The core idea to remember is this. Your HTML UI sends messages and the Figma code listens and acts. That simple loop is how your interface controls the canvas.